Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Nepali Cooking. So today I am going to try to make Ting Momo. I am going to make this with vegetable soup customized by my own. So before we head towards the kitchen, let's go and collect a few ingredients from the garden. The onion that I am going to take, and the onion spring I am going to use it from here. I will get few onion springs. This much onion springs, it should do. So I think I'm happy with this onion and this much of onion spring. The 3 tomato that I'll be making chutney out of it. Let me pluck this. Okay, I'll be taking this much of 3 tomato for chutney. I have finally collected the ingredients for the chicken soup. Sorry, not chicken soup, the vegetable soup. This is onion spring. This is lettuce. Obviously ginger, garlic, this is tomato, broccoli, carrot, and these are cheese, and this is the onion, and this is 3 tomato that I had plucked just a while ago. I'll be using this for pickle, and this is vegetable, and this is vegetable stock that I'll be using to make the chicken, the vegetable soup, I would say, to eat with. Let me mix this like this. Warm water. To keep this here and cover this for about 45 minutes. And okay, so while we wait for the dough, I'll boil these 3 tomato to make chutney. I'll be using garlic and a little chili to make the chutney out of this. It's been 45 minutes, and I think the dough it's grown bigger in size. It's kind of puffy now. So let's go ahead and make these Ting Momo. Okay, first I'll add I'll add some oil on this steamer. I will roll this like this. This is how we used to make Ting Momos in our college days. So this is not the exact authentic shape, I know that, but this is what I know. And I'll fold it like, I'll just stretch this a bit like this. Okay, now slowly make a circle like this. Okay, this is my Ting Momo. Okay, let me keep here one piece. So this is my final piece. Okay, now this is, I think I've made around 9 pieces, I'm not sure, 8 to 9 pieces. So this is my Tingmo finished rolling. I know there's some design and some shapes are quite uneven, but that's fine, I think. Now I'll let this sit like this for another 15-20 minutes because it may grow in size, and while I keep this aside for 15-20 minutes before I put it to steam, I'll make the chutney. Salt, this is 3 tomato, it's boiled, and this is the dalle that I'm going to make chutney. So it's been 15 minutes. Let's put this in the steamer. Okay, so it will take another 15 to 20 minutes in this boiling water to get this cooked. And in the meanwhile, while this gets cooked, I'm going to make the vegetable soup. Alright. This much of oil, garlic and ginger. Tomato from the top and just leave it like this. Grate it here. Grate this cheese. Some salt. Add some vinegar. I'm going to cook this in vinegar for some time. So gravy is boiling. Now I will add the corn flour. It's like around 4 teaspoons of corn flour with some water. Yeah, it looks it's done. Yes. Yeah, it's done almost. It's done. This is the pickle. Lovely. You know, it's very, very satisfying when you do hard work and it pays off like this. Let me taste this on vegetable gravy. This is amazing. This is delicious. If you do like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe. And you guys also might want to try this recipe at home. Instead of this, you can use non-veg. Thank you for watching once again. Have a nice day. Coming up with more new food videos. Till then, see you. Bye.